This facility doesn't store gold or diamonds. It stores human hair worth millions. Inside climate-controlled vaults, raw hair is stored like currency, graded, labeled, and valued by weight. But this multi-million-dollar industry begins far from luxury salons, in small rural communities where hair becomes a livelihood. Before it becomes luxury extensions worth thousands, it must survive chemical baths, manual sorting, and ruthless quality control. Each bundle is weighed and recorded. In this industry, value starts with exact weight. Length directly affects the price. Longer strands are rare and significantly more expensive. Most of the sorting is still done by hand. Workers separate strands by thickness, texture, and overall quality. Damaged or mixed direction hair lowers the grade. Only aligned, healthy strands move forward. Before anything else, the hair goes through its first deep wash to remove dust, oil, and surface impurities. Depending on the source, some batches require chemical treatment to sanitize and standardize the strands. After treatment, every bundle is rinsed thoroughly. Any leftover residue can damage the final product. Then the hair is air-dried under controlled heat. Too much warmth can weaken it, too little leaves moisture trapped inside. Once dried, each bundle is manually detangled. This step removes broken strands and prepares the hair for alignment. For premium quality, the cuticles must all face the same direction, root to tip. This prevents tangling later. Mechanical combing removes short or uneven fibers, leaving only consistent, full-length strands. Next comes texture grading. Straight, wavy, and curly hair are separated. Each type has its own market demand.
Hair is also sorted by natural color. Even small shade differences can affect the final uniformity. Virgin hair, never dyed or chemically treated, commands the highest prices in the market.
Strands are tested for strength and elasticity. Weak fibers are removed before they reach buyers. Only a small percentage makes it into the premium category, the longest, thickest, most uniform bundles. Once graded, the hair is bundled for wholesale buyers. Each stack must meet strict weight and consistency standards. Every batch is labeled and tracked, recording origin, length, grade, and processing date. To preserve quality during transport, premium bundles are vacuum sealed to prevent moisture and contamination. From here, shipments move across continents, destined for beauty suppliers, salons, and luxury brands. Finished shipments are loaded into freight containers, sometimes carrying thousands of bundles at once. High-value orders often travel by air, reducing transit time and protecting premium inventory. Once overseas, the hair enters distribution centers, where wholesalers prepare it for retailers and salons. By the time it reaches retail shelves, a single bundle can sell for several times its original cost. At the wholesale level, pricing is negotiated in bulk, often by the kilo, not by the strand. Online platforms have expanded the market globally, connecting suppliers directly to customers. In salons, those processed strands are transformed into volume, length, and high-end style. From rural collection to retail display, the value can multiply several times along the supply chain. Global demand continues to grow, fueled by fashion trends, social media, and beauty standards. Social media has accelerated demand, turning hair into a fast-moving global commodity. Behind controlled temperatures and locked doors, millions in raw hair wait for the next transaction. Not gold, not cash, just human hair, powering a global beauty economy most people never see. If you enjoyed this process, like the video and subscribe for more documentaries like this.